Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. In today's video, we are going to take up one very interesting question from continued fractions. Here we have to evaluate a square. Given that a is equal to mod x1 plus mod x2, where x1 and x2 are the roots of this equation. Now we have x in the denominator. Here we have x. So x cannot be equal to 0. If we will keep plugging the value of x, square root 19 plus 91 over square root 19 plus 91 over and so on, then we are going to get infinite continued fraction. So we can replace this denominator by writing over here x. So equation can be written as x equal to square root 19 plus 91 over x. Now we have x in the denominator. So we will multiply both sides by x to get rid of denominator x. X cannot be 0. X times x is x square. Square root 19 times x is square root 19x plus 91 over x times x. X will get over, we will get 91. We will write all the terms to one side to get one quadratic in x. X square minus square root 19x minus 91 equal to 0. Now equation is quadratic, we can go for quadratic formula. So we will write ABC first. Equation is x square minus root 19x minus 91 equal to 0. Now we will compare our equation with the standard one, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We will compare coefficient of x square. We will write a equal to 1. We will compare coefficient of x and we can write b equal to minus square root 19. We will compare constants, then we will get c equal to minus 91. Now we have a, b and c, and we know quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. Let's plug in all the values to get x1 and x2. So I will write here x equal to minus b. So minus of minus root 19 plus minus square root of b square minus root 19 whole square minus 4 times 1 times c is minus 91 over 2 times 1. Now we have to simplify. We will get x equal to minus times minus becomes plus square root 19 plus minus square root of 19 plus 4 times 91, it is 364 over 2. 19 plus 364 is 383. So we will write x equal to square root 19 plus minus square root 383 over 2. I will write both the roots separately. X equal to square root 19 plus square root 383 over 2 and square root 19 minus square root 383 over 2. If we will check square root 383, it is greater than square root 19. So we have x1 which is positive and we have x2 which is negative. Now I will introduce absolute value function mod of x or mod function, which is equal to x if x is greater than or equal to 0. and it is equal to minus x once x is negative. So here we have x1 positive. So there we will write mod of x1 equal to x1. But in case of mod of x2, since x2 is negative, we will put one minus sign over there due to the definition of mod function. So let me write here a first. Mod x1 plus mod x2. x1 is positive, x2 is negative. By this formula, we will write x1 plus, in place of x2, we have to write minus x2 because x2 is negative. That means it is equal to x1 minus x2. Let us do that. So we will get a equal to mod of x1 plus mod of x2, which will be equal to x1 minus x2. We have x1, let me write here, x1 is square root 19 plus square root 383 over 2, and we have x2, which is square root 19 minus square root 383 over 2. Now we will find a, which is x1 minus x2. So let me find a first. A equal to x1, it is square root 19 plus square root 383 over 2 minus x2, square root 19 minus square root 383 over 2. Now we will simplify. We have common denominator 2. In numerator, we will write square root 19 plus square root 383 minus square root 19 plus square root 383. Now we can cancel plus square root 19 with minus square root 19. So we will get 2 times square root 383 over 2. That 2 will get over. So we are going to get a square root of 383. Now we have to find a square. So we will write here a square will be equal to square root 383 whole square. Now we can cancel square root with a square. So there would be a square, which will be equal to 383. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.